Hey, you call this a TV? Other than static, I don't think we can watch anything on this thing. Hey, just let's go for Mama and watch.
Why cannot? Confirm can watch one, Sam, and it's thanks to the Sooka TV stick.
How is this stick supposed to help us to watch the game?
Hey Sam, this is not just any stick. This is the Sooka TV stick, a portable media streaming device that seamlessly transforms any out-of-date TV with a HDMI port into a smart TV that comes packed with the ultimate streaming services available in the market. Sooka is an all-in-one hub where you can watch all your favorite shows. It is the only streaming app available in Malaysia that provides the widest range of regional and local entertainment. From nearly 70 TV channels, which includes TVB, TVN, TVN Movie, and KBS World, which is why it gets a pass from my wife.
You are joking, right?
Nope, I'm not. And it's not just dramas and comedies, as the Sooka TV stick lets us catch up with the biggest live sporting events such as Premier League, BWF tournaments, Liga Malaysia, Formula 1, MotoGP, NBA, UFC, cricket, tennis, and more. The Sooka TV stick supports high definition and even 4K ultra high definition streaming on compatible TVs and apps. The stick runs on Google Android TV OS, which enables voice control via Google Assistant, the Google Play Store, and the ability to cast to large screens. Not only it improves the video picture quality, but it also lets you look up all your favorite shows and control all the necessary settings without even lifting a finger for maximum convenience.
Well, it sure does pack a punch, but wouldn't that mean it would be a lot of work to set up?
Let me show you all the setup I did for this thing. It is only a simple plug-and-play system, no installation is required. The Sooka TV stick comes with an easy-to-use Bluetooth remote control that allows you to search for certain apps with your voice. And Sam, you mentioned you wanted to watch some old shows, right? Then the Sooka TV stick has you covered as well, because it also lets you watch from your favorite third-party apps like Disney Plus Hotstar, Viu, YouTube, and more via the Google Play Store. On top of that, you can stream your preferred music or media directly onto your TV.
Oh, really can do all those things? Wait, that's so cool. I bet it costs a lot for the whole thing, right?
The Sooka TV stick is only 349 ringgit, and it comes with premium access for 1 month, 24 free TV channels, selected on-demand content, and 3 months of access to Disney Plus Hotstar. And that is only the base price. If you purchase the 12-month premium plan bundle for 579 ringgit, you will receive the Sooka TV stick and all its amazing features at no additional cost, along with a bonus 3 months access to Disney Plus Hotstar.
Oh, what if I want something that is more simple and not as jam-packed as this plan?
Well Sam, I hear you. If those doesn't suit your taste, then you can get Sooka's Entertainment Plus plan, which lets you enjoy your local and Asian entertainment across 53 TV channels and thousands of on-demand shows. And if you don't want to pay, that's okay as well, because the TV stick will let you watch its Free Now category, which hosts 24 live channels and selected video on-demand drama titles and sports matches.
So where can I get this?
For that, you're going to have to go to Sooka's official website to register from there.